People often say men only care about beauty, but the truth is much deeper than that. Today, we're talking about 10 things men truly love in a woman, not what social media shows, but what real life teaches. 1. Facte peace. A woman who brings peace, not constant conflict, becomes a safe place. Men don't run from problems, they run from chaos. 2E10, respect. Love can't survive without respect. Even during disagreements, respect tells a man, I see you, I value you. 3-18, confidence. Not arrogance, confidence. A woman who knows her worth doesn't beg for attention or validation. 4-18, honest communication. Saying what you feel without attacking. Speaking the truth without manipulation. 5-18, honesty. A painful truth is better than a comfortable lie. Trust is built on honesty, not perfection. 6-18, emotional support. Men get tired too. They need a woman who listens without judging, who supports without shaming. 7-18, maturity. Maturity is not about age. It's about how you handle problems, emotions, and responsibility. 8-18, natural femininity. Softness, warmth, a feminine energy that creates connection, not competition. Independence. A woman with her own dreams, goals, and identity. Love is stronger when both people are whole. Loyalty. Not only physical loyalty, but emotional loyalty too. Standing by someone even when it's not convenient. Beauty may attract a man, but character is what makes him stay. Yes, ma'am. Men don't look for perfection. They look for peace, respect, and truth.